In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add keyframes in CapCut PC. If you want to make text pop onto the screen, create smooth custom zoom effects, or move an object from one place to another, keyframes are one of the most useful tools you can learn. The good news is that in CapCut PC, the process is actually very simple once you know where to click and what to look for. To begin, go down to your timeline and click on the clip you want to animate so it becomes highlighted. This is important because CapCut needs to know exactly which clip you want to edit before you add any keyframes. Once your clip is selected, move the vertical playhead line to the exact frame where you want your animation to begin. Take a moment here and be precise because this first position will act as the starting point for your movement. Next, go over to the top right Properties panel. Under the Video section, open Basic and look for Position and Scale. Right next to that setting, you'll see a small diamond-shaped keyframe icon. Click that icon to place your first keyframe. When it turns blue, that confirms your starting keyframe has been added. Think of this as telling CapCut before at this exact moment, I want the clip to stay at these current settings. After that, move your playhead forward in the timeline to the point where you want the animation to end. This distance determines how fast or slow the movement will feel, so if you place the second point farther away, the animation will appear slower and smoother. If it's closer, the movement will be quicker. Now, with the playhead in that new position, adjust either the scale or position settings in the same top right panel. As soon as you make that change, CapCut automatically creates a second keyframe for you. This is what creates the animation between the first and second point. For example, increasing the scale can create a zoom effect, while changing the position can make your clip move across the screen. Once you've made your adjustment, press the spacebar to preview the result. This lets you check how the motion looks in real time and make sure it feels smooth and intentional. If needed, you can always go back, reposition the playhead, and fine-tune the settings for a cleaner animation. And that's it. You've successfully added keyframes in CapCut PC and created a custom animation with just a few clicks.